We're doing further Pure 1 Binomial Expansion with special guests, Andrew Chapman and Alex Green at the same time. Right, simultaneously, we will solve some equations. Okay guys, so which one of you is going to do the first equation?
I'll do it.
Alex's.
Why not?
Okay, good.
That was beautiful.
The question we are doing is 3 plus x all to the power of 4. Right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the option setting and then across to probability and then press the NCR button. To the left of it goes the power, in this question 4, and then to the right you put the step number. So the first step would be 0. Then you do, what do you do? We've got the coefficient now, let's write it down.
Okay.
So we have our first number, now we're going to go back in and we're going to get our second number by changing this to step 1 and then changing this to step 1 as well. So now we know the coefficient of our x cubed value is going to be 12.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
And now we just repeat 4 to the 2. So that's our x squared value. And there's our final number. No, it's just plus 81.
Sorry about that. Little minor error.
And plus,
can't
plus
argue
signs
that,
in
can
between
you?
all of these.
Oh, plus signs are good. Can't argue all of it. Oh, that's minus.
Chappers has no prior knowledge of further maths.
No.
Here this time, the question is y equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 8. And that's our line A and P, 2 points. The x value at A is 5, and the x value at P is 5 plus h. And h we don't know what it is, it's just a number. The y values we don't know either, but we can substitute in 5 into the equation to get them out. So we could draw a graph to help us work this out. Let's just say this is A, and this is P. This would be 5, the x value, and this would be 5 plus h. The y values here, we can draw the line and we can draw the curve. Y values would be f of 5 and f of 5 plus h. And from this we can do delta y over delta x to find out our gradient at 5. So we can substitute in 5 here, plus 3 times 5 minus 8 equals, type into our calculator, 2 times 5 squared, 50, plus 15, 3 times 5, minus 8 is 57, is f of 5, the y value at point A. And we can find the p value, f of 5 plus h, which should be 2 times 5 plus h squared, plus 3 times 5 plus h minus 8. And using the binomial expansion method on 5 plus h squared, we can work out what that is. So last time we found the C button options, probability, NCR. Power is the number before, which is going to be 2. And this number here is the step number, so we'll start with the 0th step. 1 answer times 5 to the power of the step number is 1. And so that's 2 times h squared to start off with, plus step number 1 in, plus 10h plus 2 and 2, 25. Times it all by 2 plus 3 times 5, which is 15, plus 3h and minus 8. 23h plus 50 plus 15 minus 8 plus 57. And that is f of 5 plus h, the y value at p. We'll do delta y over delta x, so that's 2h squared plus 23h plus 57 minus the ya, which was 57, divided by x plus 5, wasn't it? 5 plus h minus 5, which should equal, the h's cancel down after the 57 takes away, and the 5's cancel down, and you'll just be left with 2h plus 23. And that's our gradient in between the two lines. But as the distance between the two h tends towards 0, h tends towards 0, and you'll be left with 2 times 0 plus 23, and so the gradient at a is 23